I spilled it on myself, Kathy.
It's coming out of your nose. Ew.
Kathy.
Oh. Shut your mouth.
Kathy.
Stop.
It's on my cheek.
Give me your water. I don't have water anymore. You don't have coffee, hot chocolate, or Kool-Aid.
Kathy, it's on my cheek.
Do I have to take care of you all the time?
Thank you, Kathy. Thank you.
Goodness.
Let's go take a care dog. Gonna go take a job for 1 second. That job. Kathy, you keep spitting on the carpet. I'm sorry. I have water all over me, Kathy.